Hey folks, a lot of sunshine, a lot of heat across the valley again today. Mid-August, we're running about where we should be this time of year. We kind of have to watch the tropics for any sign of rain, and right now the tropics are really quiet. We'll touch on that in a second. These are the currents across the valley. 91 close to the coast, then warmer as you move inland. 99s McAllen and Edinburgh right now. Our lows tonight right around 80 or so under mainly clear skies. At the beach about 81, about 80 in Brownsville. And then tomorrow right back up where we were today, maybe a degree or two warmer at 103 McAllen, 104 Rio Grande City, about 100 in the Mid-Valley, then some 99s on the map as well. Another very warm day. The normal high mid-August is 97. We're peaking right now as far as the normal goes, and we're going to be above normal, 100, then a couple of 101s. When we say normal, that's the 30-year average. The normal high is what we call the 30-year average. Here's satellite today. It doesn't show a whole lot going on across South Texas. We did have a couple of showers to the north of the valley up in Brooks County, Kennedy County, but nothing out there now. And Future Track says it stays quiet pretty much all night long. Maybe some patchy clouds. That's about it. Tomorrow, mostly sunny again. That's what will allow those temperatures to get so warm. Wednesday, the sea breeze tries, but likely fails again. Probably nothing to write home about. Another mainly dry day. And Thursday, same kind of thing, partly to mostly sunny and dry again. So our forecast goes dry, dry, dry the next 3 days. Little to no chance for rain. Across Texas, there's actually a front in the state, a front that has little to no chance of getting here, but it is in the state and it's down to about Houston or so. Big ridge aloft still controlling things, so the front stalls, moves back to the north as a warm front as the ridge moves back in, and as that high kind of takes hold over Texas, it just keeps us hot and dry for the next several days. The warm front moves eastward, shares our warmth with the rest of Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. They will warm back up, and we'll just stay the way we are. Just don't see much to trigger any rain anytime soon. The door to the tropics opens up a little bit, but there's nothing out there to bring any rain in. So it just keeps us hot and dry for the foreseeable future. The Gulf is quiet, the Caribbean's quiet, the entire Atlantic, very, very quiet right now. Just nothing going on. There's still a lot of shear, still some dust out there. So the Atlantic says, Hurricane Center says nothing expected for at least the next 5 days. Pacific, kind of a different story. Here's Hawaii, there's Honolulu. This is a hurricane, quite an impressive hurricane at that. This is Lane at 13.6 and 149.1. The winds are 130 miles per hour. It's a Category 4 hurricane. Watch what it's expected to do. Go west for a while, but then turn to the northwest and kind of parallel the islands out here, and then turn farther to the west and probably miss the islands. They'll get some big surf from this, and hopefully it'll stay close to the center of this window. But of course, anywhere in this window of uncertainty is a possibility. So folks in Honolulu really paying attention to Hurricane Lane that should begin to weaken by the weekend as it moves off toward the west, and hopefully again just missing the islands, but close enough that they're certainly on edge tonight. Southeast winds 10 to 20 in the bay. The moderate chop is what we're seeing. UV index is extreme. The bay temperature is 82. The surf is 80. The high temperature at the island tomorrow should be around 89 degrees. So for the rest of the valley tonight, 79 for a low, mainly clear. Tomorrow we're right back up to 100 again. Plenty of sunshine, a hot day. South-southeasterly winds at about 10 to 18 miles an hour. Here's a look at the next 7 days. And we keep temperatures near 100 through the end of the week, and then we drop it a couple for the weekend. But right now our chance of rain looks minimal at best, 0 to maybe 5% best chance. For the most part, it's a hot and dry forecast from now into the early part of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.